Hi, today I will need comfortable and light sleepers. Cast on 40 stitches and knit 4 rows in garter stitch. It's 4 rows. Place a marker in the middle. Knit with the second color. There are 4 stitches remaining until the marker, and make 5 stitches from 3. 5 stitches from 3. 3 together. Knit an hour. Knit an hour. Knit, slip, purl, marker, purl, make 5 stitches from 3, 3 together, 1 knit an hour, 1 knit an hour, 1 knit, and continue. Knit the second row with purl stitches. In the purl row, the 2 middle stitches can be knitted. Then repeat the first and second rows. Make 5 stitches from 3, 3 together, knit an hour, knit an hour, knit, purl, marker, purl, and make 5 from 3, 3 together, 1 knit an hour, 1 knit an hour, 1 knit, slip, and continue. Knit approximately 10 centimeters, 4 inches. Mark 10 middle stitches. Knit to the first marker. To the first marker. Now continue knitting with the yarn of the first color. Until the second marker. After the second marker, work 2 stitches together. Turn the knitting to the wrong side. 1 slip, 10 purl, 9, 10, and 2 pearl together. Turn the knitting, 1 slip, then knit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 knit together, 2 knit together, and continue. 1 slip, 10 pearl, 2 pearl together, 10 pearl, 2 pearl together. Next row, 1 slip, 10 knit and 2 knit together. 1 slip, 10 knit, 2 knit together, and continue knitting in the same way. 10 pearl, 2 pearl together. You're knitting until there are 6 stitches left on each side. And now knit this way. 1 slip, 8 knit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 stitches, knit together, 2 together, and wrong side, 1 slip, pearl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pearl, 2 stitches together, 2 together, and 2 stitches together, and continue. 1 knit, 6 knit, 1 slip, 6 knit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 knit together, 2 knit together, and continue. 1 slip for pearl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pearl, 2 knit, 2 pearl together, 2 pearl together, and continue. Slip, 4 knit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 knit together, 2 knit together, and back. Slip, 3 pearl, 1, 2, 3, 2 pearl together, 2 pearl together, 2 knit, 2 pearl together, 2 knit together, 2 knit together, slip one pearl, two pearl together, and once more. Two knit together, two knit together, and twice two knit together, two knit together, and one slip, one knit, two knit together. It's look like this. Now take a regular needle and just sew on this place. That's all. I wish you would like.